Ever wonder how your microwave heats up leftovers in just seconds? Here's the science. Microwaves use electromagnetic waves to jiggle water molecules in your food. Imagine little water molecules dancing a happy jig. This movement generates heat, warming your food evenly. But why does food heat faster than the plate? Plates usually have fewer water molecules, so they don't absorb as much energy. Oh, and those rotating plates? They ensure your food heats evenly, avoiding cold spots. So next time you zap your snack, remember, you're using science to make magic happen. Like and subscribe for more fun facts. Bell.